Day. I hope everybody is having a marvelous day. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today, y'all, we're having Joe Willie's Crab Feast. Okay, so it's crabs, snow crabs, lobster tails, shrimps, some corn. Yeah, they give you a lot of corn in there, and some potatoes. All right, and I made a little butter sauce. And y'all, I don't know, I found these at Aldi's. They're Myers lemons. I've never had them before. They're supposed to be a little bit sweeter than a lemon, they say it, so we're gonna try that. All right, so still ain't got no ice, y'all. Let's dig in, cause I am hungry. Hungry. Let me get this closer so I can dip. Hold on, y'all. Move that over there, son. Yeah. So how is everybody doing today? Ooh, put that shrimp in there. I'm a make sure I give y'all the first bite. You ready? Open up. Ah! See? Yeah, I've been trying to go to Joe Willie's for the longest because I've been hearing about them, but because of the blizzard that we had, they was closed for a minute, so they open. So we was there today.
Oh, it's the Cajun seasoning that they gave me too.
No, I want to try this. And some butter sauce. There's a little butter sauce down in there, and it's just something that I threw together real quick because I just got in. Ain't had no time to do nothing, so. Trying to get this together and out. Y'all, today my mood is very
warrior.
Yeah, kind of on the...
Bring it up. We got a seafood boil.
I know.
And it looks so good, y'all. I promise you.
What y'all know. Sometimes we had them days, and this here is just one of them days. But...
Don't be a trash.
I ain't trying to be. I ain't trying to be.
Downer. You like the sweeter one. Hey, cousins.
They all sour.
You know what it tastes like? Because Cara made me taste it.
Oh, she did?
It tastes like a lemon and a orange.
Tastes like a lemon to me. Tastes sour.
Now I taste some orangey, like the orangey flavor. I don't know. It's not as sour to me though. I can't take the lemon. I can't take lemon.
Lemon is good, girl. What's wrong with her? How was your day, mommy?
It was good.
It was good.
One of my pals was at work today.
Oh, yeah?
So we were conversating. Not a long, 9-hour conversation. 10-hour, conversation.
It feels like it's been a minute since I did a seafood boil. Y'all know what's about to happen with me and these things tonight.
What you need, mama?
I don't need nothing.
Yes, you do.
I don't need nothing.
Yes, you do.
Ooh. Oh. That was good.
That was good.
Man.
You want to share?
That place was packed up in there. Yeah. If I do one, you want one? She already wants something.
You see that FOODIE FAM? I'm FOODIE FAM.
Hold on, y'all. I'm coming with the potato. Got it drenched and all that goodness. Ooh, take a bite.
It's okay. I'm coming.
Look at her.
I got it for us, Foodie Fam.
Okay, I got another one. This one is all mine. Ooh.
Whoa. That's what the sauce tastes like.
It's something different. It's something totally different.
And I like it with this potato. Right.
Just saying, I'm out of lemon pepper, so I use.
She in the kitchen working, y'all.
It's they lobster tail, but they split it in two.
I had other hair.
Hell no. Talk about.
You actually not sharing Foodie Fam.
Ooh. I gotta get this thing out of the daggone shell though. The way that. Oh my word.
And just chew that right over here.
Oh my choo-choos.
Be nice now, be nice.
She almost made me go there, y'all. Okay, hold on, it's coming. Hold on.
It's coming.
No, not to you. Don't get too excited. It's coming. Hold on. You want some? You gonna let me know? I ain't talking to that one back there. I'm talking to you out there. My babies, my other babies. This baby always want. Come on, open wide. Open wide. You got it? Choo, 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 choo. Told you. Y'all. I didn't put no lemon on that. That didn't even need no. That shit tastes good. Hey, this is good. All right.
Just eat.
Huh? Here's shot, cause you was like, oh my god.
Put it in there, buddy. Put it in there.
Putting in what?
In there. It's sauce.
You need a plate or something. Cause you about to mess up.
It's alright. I got it. I'm getting it, Foodie Fam.
Hey, I can't even eat my food. Like for real though, Joe.
Alright. I got it, Foodie Fam. Thank y'all. Cousins got my back.
See, y'all messing up. Then y'all talk about I ain't sharing. Sharing is caring. Oh, dang. Oh my word, I forgot. Dang. It's still meat in this thing. Cause they ain't pull it back before. So it's like stuck up in there. You see how you eat it? There's all that meat in there. Oh, we. Yes. Ooh. I gotta remember Trevor's birthday coming up.
Happy birthday, Mr. Lewis.
Oh yeah, Mr. Lewis. I told him happy birthday already though. I got a little break earlier.
Okay.
And oh hell.
Cousin Shoshana had to take him.
And I was able to get in his chat for a little bit.
Aw.
Yeah.
I missed it.
Mm-hmm.
Dang nabbit.
I've been missing a lot of lives. But it's what it is, Foodie Fam. I don't know. I'll be trying to support. But I got work. Ooh, Shoshana. Me and this thing.
It's okay. You want me to teach you? That's not how you do it.
Can you get my scissors? Love you. I don't have time to be going to eat. Okay. Ooh. Boy. Hold on, dip this piece up in there. Ooh, come back. Where you going? Y'all want a piece? This is good. My paper towel fell. Excuse me. I didn't know where that came from. Jeez. Ooh.
Like everyone says, it comes from within.
That came from way down deep down in there. I swear.
They already say you nominated. and you the queen of it.
Lord, what a title. What a title. They all done gave me. Queen of Burps. I don't know where they come from though, honestly. But they be coming out. Man, I don't know about these things. I'm gonna stop buying them. King crab. I keep saying that, but I need to master these things, don't I?
I can teach you.
And you think she open, she gonna say, that's mine. I ain't playing with you, Sean.
Rolling my eye.
I don't know how to talk about rolling my eye. Oh. Boy, Foodie Fam. Everything I do, somebody got a problem with. Yesterday, I put soy sauce on my food. They got a problem with me putting soy sauce on the food. Child. I'm like, oh. Another lobster tail. Yeah. Hold on, cuz. Listen, this thing in this shell. I'm sorry, y'all, but we just gotta be savage with it. It ain't no prettiness over here today. Cause baby. Ooh. That sucker is good. Ooh. Baby pie. And honey hush.
Who else is drooling?
Ooh, wait. That's good, y'all.
I believe you.
Joe Willie's was. You should. You ate it. Joe Willie's. They got it going on. Girl. If only they would pull this part out, though. I'd be even more bitter. I can get my whole thing out of there. I'm trying to get it out, y'all. The whole thing. Not torn up. Ooh. looky. Mama says, time for you to go in my mouth. Y'all ready? Who wants some? You want some? Oh, excuse me. Want some? Yeah. Take a bite. Mm-hmm. That corn ain't it. It ain't got no flavor. I love the corn sweet. You know I love them corn, man. Ooh-wee, y'all. So what y'all up to tonight? I hope everybody doing well. Mr. Lewis' birthday, I know he turns up. Everybody having a wonderful evening. Ooh. Shana, I didn't do a thumbnail. Oh my word. What? Because I threw it down? All right. Thumbnail completed. Okay. I'll see. Mm-hmm. I still got Africa. Mm-hmm. I know they I told you they cut it and they split them in two. So you have 4. But I just don't like that it's not up out of there before. So you just pull it on out instead of fighting with it, trying to get it out in one piece. Still a piece down in there. I ain't about to throw that away. You crazy? Oh no. Mm-hmm. That Coke is good too. Mm-hmm. Ooh, this thing got little things on there sticking. Mm-hmm. What you laughing at, girl?
It's bound to happen.
You know it. Worse, I'm eating this. I can't escape it. I know. I know what I'm gonna do. Ooh. I'm trying to be gentle like she says. But my gentleness and her gentleness is 2 different gentleness. I'm rough. Yeah. This will be on point. I can hear the juices up in there. Boy. Shoshana. Come on out of there, baby. Oh, yes. I got it. Here you go, my loves. I'm trying to do better with sharing. Oh, excuse me, y'all. You okay, Mama?
Yeah. Bone crusher. Shell smasher.
I'm that bone crusher. Shit.
There you go. You gotta get it from the middle, Mom.
Can I do the Millie Walk? Yo. Ooh. Yes. I like it. Yes. Hold on. I can let it run. See that? They know I'm silly. It's okay.
Let's crack it in the middle. Ooh.
I'm on a roll. I am on a roll. What? Can't stop me now. Ain't nothing in there. You little. My baby back there saying, Mama. Yes, honey. Just got a lot of lemon juice in there. I done squeezed so many lemons in there. It's really nothing like seafood. Honestly, it's nothing like seafood. I don't care how many times you eat it. You can eat this like every day. It's so good. Come on. It's, you know, when you can feel it up there like it's holding on to something. Let go. Come on now. Oh, yeah. They don't want to come out. It's okay. Still gonna eat them anyway. No matter how I want to come out, baby, where's you going? Put a bit the sauce on there, over there, over here. I ate one potato. You look like me, like I looked when I walked in the door. Tired. And like, ugh. Whew. What you looking at over there? Let me be all nosy, all up in your business. All right, foodie fam. Okay. Ooh. I finally got the rest of my stuff today, y'all. So, be up soon. The rest of my little setup. So, be up soon. Slowly but surely, it's coming along. Oh. Ooh. I didn't even know you started that. So I'm over here just cutting away. Child. I swear this only part right here I don't really like. But snow crab legs are good. You just gotta work. I mean, look at my clothes. Yeah, I'm a fire Shoshana. She's supposed to order my stuff. She ain't did it yet. I'm gonna fire her.
Order what?
My baby. Oh. My bib, girl.
I'm right. You're right. I'm sorry.
She messing up. She messing up, y'all. She messing. I'm gonna fire her and she ain't even getting paid.
Big facts.
What you say?
My daughter will do these.
Right.
And I'm getting fired from them.
Right.
You got some nerve, y'all.
Yeah.
She just want me to go off on her. Dare you fired me? Who do you think I am?
Shoshana. Oh. I swear I could sit down and eat that.
The floor can apparently too.
Huh?
The floor can apparently too.
I swear.
Messy.
I just don't feel like fighting with that. Look at that stuff loud. Dang. Y'all, we moved around the street. Well, it's a few blocks from the old house. But man, it's totally different over this side of the world. I swear. Totally different, y'all. And I say totally different. Yes, Lord. Foodie fam, y'all know what time it is. Ooh, y'all. I just bought these little bowls too. Let me show you. I thought they were pretty. Where we found them at? TJ Maxx. Like $2.99. And they all handmade. Yeah, handmade. Yeah, I was trying to how they make glass or whatever. Anyway, foodie fam, that's it from us tonight. Have a lovely evening, y'all. A lovely, not a belovely, a lovely evening. I'm sorry.